12th math student, see in a 3D chapter, plane equals, what is plane? Plane is a piece of surface that is defined area, piece of a surface. So in 3 dimension, x, y, z axis, the area bounded by 2 axis OX and OY, that is simply you can say that XY plane, and equation of XY plane is z is equal to 0. Between OY and OZ axis, simply YZ plane whose equation is x is equal to 0. Between OX and OZ, that is XZ plane whose equation is y is equal to 0. So normal of xy plane is z axis, normal of yz plane is x axis, and normal of xz plane is y axis. Now in first article you have to find the equation of the plane in normal form. So you can consider, see in figure, this is your plane. So normal drawn from point O, ON is normal. Here P is a variable point on the plane. So in vector form, let ON vector in unit length you can take as dn cap. D is a scalar here. When you take the mod of this, so unit vector mod of unit 1, and only you will get d unit. So ON in unit length you can take dn cap, and OP, P is variable here, so let OP is represented by vector R. Then ON perpendicular to NP, so ON dot NP 0, solving it, so NP is OP minus ON, so ON dn cap, OP R minus dn cap, so it's equal to 0. So D is not equal to 0, only you will get n cap dot R minus, multiplying here n cap dot into D, n cap dot n cap, that is 1, only you will get n cap dot R minus D. So n cap dot R is equal to D is what? Vector equation of the plane in normal form. N cap dot R, here length of normal is D. And when you write in Cartesian form without vector, so n cap unit vector, n cap you can take as Li plus Mj plus Nk, where L, M, N are direction cosine of normal. L, M, N are direction cosine of normal. So taking dot product with R, and here R is xi plus yj plus zk. So n cap dot R you will get Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So this is the Cartesian form. In normal form, Cartesian equation of the plane in normal form, and this is vector equation of the plane in normal form. So you will remember here both the relation n cap dot R is D and Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So when you know about the angles, you will apply this formula. L is cos alpha, M is cos beta, N is cos gamma. So apply Cartesian form, Lx plus My plus Nz is D. Okay. Now general equation of the plane, let vector along the normal is n, P is here variable, On is equal to n vector along the normal, OP is R, and n cap you can take simple n vector AI, Bj, Ck, where A, B, C are direction ratios of normal. Remember here main component of the plane is normal. The AI plus Bj plus Ck coefficient of I, J, K are direction ratios of normal. So when you take the equation of the plane direct, you can write n dot R is equal to D. N, D is a scalar here, n dot R is equal to D. तो एक्सरसाइज और बुक में आपको जनरली इस टाइप का प्लेन मिलेगा, n डॉट R इज इक्वल टू D, नॉट इन n कैप. ओके, तो n इज वेक्टर अलोंग द नॉर्मल. तो when you change it in Cartesian form without vector, तो taking dot product, let n is ai plus bj plus ck, r is xi plus yj plus zk. तो find dot product. How to find dot product? You know. तो ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. This is the general form, general equation of the plane. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Okay. Now plane passing through one point is here A, whose coordinate be x1, y1, z1. Normal vector along the normal is n. P is variable on the plane. So let OA in vector form, you can write OA means position vector of a point is A, that is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. OP is r, xi, yj, zk, and n you can take as ai plus bj plus ck. Then vector equation of the plane when it passes through a given point A, so you will write this relation n dot r minus a is equal to 0. And remember here n dot r minus a when plane passes through one point, and its Cartesian form without vector a into x minus x1, b into y minus y1, c into z minus z1 is equal to 0, where a, b, c are direction ratios of normal. Okay, so you will remember three relations. This is the first article, equation of the plane in normal form. This is the second, general form, n dot r, and third, plane passing through one point, n dot r minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the basic thing of plane.